Hello friends and my dear students. As in the last lecture we were discussing about quality function deployment, which is also known as house of quality. In this we have studied till customer matrix, which is a horizontal part of house of quality. Let's recall the things that how house of quality will look like. Okay, so this is your house of quality which we have discussed in the previous lecture. So in the house of quality, this is the horizontal chamber or horizontal line in which we have seen customer matrix, voice of customer, importance rating, relationship matrix, customer complaints, and customer competitive assessment. Another part is technical requirements. Okay, we have to convert this voice of customer into a technical requirement, and this is correlationship matrix. Correlation matrix will tell you what is the relationship between one technical requirement to the other. Okay, now as we have studied this customer matrix in the last, so we are moving towards the vertical matrix, which is the majorly for technical requirement. Okay, in this vertical matrix the major part is technical requirement, which is translation of voice of customer into actionable, then measurable and measurable requirements. That those requirements should be able to be applied, means those should be actionable, then measurable, those those technical requirements can be measured. So in this way we have to convert the voice of customer into technical requirement. This is correlationship matrix is a evaluation of relationship between technical requirement. It will relate the relationship between one requirement or to other. Okay, next is evaluation of strength of relationship between voices and technical requirement, means this technical requirement how it is related with the voice of customer, that will come here in the picture if you will recall. Okay, so how this TR technical requirement is related with the voice of customer, that you will get with the help of relationship matrix. After developing relationship matrix, now we have to focus on competitive technical assessment. What is this? How much company fares against its competitors, means the competitors in the market, for performance against its competitors. Okay, so that thing you have to put it here in the competitive technical assessment. And the last or the bottom side of this vertical matrix is operational goals or targets, which are goals or targets set by company to achieve competitiveness, and how much goals or targets has been fixed, that you have to keep here in operational goals or targets. So in this way we will complete the vertical matrix as well as the horizontal matrix. Okay, so this will complete your whole house of quality. Okay, or which is also called as quality function deployment. Okay, so in this way this house of quality will look like this. This is your customer section, this is your evaluation of strength of relationship between voices and technical requirement that we have studied, means CR will be related with TR. Okay, that you have to do here with the help of this relationship matrix. Okay, next correlation matrix, which is the relationship between individual or respective technical requirements. Okay, in this way we will formulate our whole house of quality. Okay, now taking one example in the consideration, like as this is an example of house of quality of pizza. Okay, which is a food which a company who are providing services of pizza, they used to deliver this. Okay, so now what how we can prepare this, that we will see. As you can see in the picture, with the help of customer survey or customer brainstorming sessions, we have finalized the customer requirements, which are good taste, low price, which should be there in the pizza, good texture should be there, low fat and healthy, fresh and hot delivery, appetizing appearance. Also these are the things in which we have given highest rating to the good taste, which is 6, and similarly we have given the importance rating. Okay, these are the importance rating which we have to give to the customer requirement. That we have done, means two blocks or two columns has been filled of this house of quality. Next is your technical requirement. Technical requirement can be pizza color, bed, shape, size and thickness, low fatty eatables, optional eatables, delicious and fresh toppings, density of topping. These are the things which can be your technical requirement. There may be some others as well. I have taken these things. Okay, now this pizza color is somewhat related with the optional eatables. Okay, so I have put it here a dark symbol or a circle. Okay, next, this is your bait shape, size and thickness. This is somewhat related with your density of toppings. Okay, and similarly these other correlation we have developed, means we have developed the correlation matrix and technical requirement. Now we have fixed a low relationship as a 1, medium relationship as a 3, high relationship as a 6, and we have familiarized or fixed some symbols to prepare this relationship matrix. Now as you know, good taste is mostly depends on weight, shape, size and thickness. So we have given this as a high relationship, and some very small relationship of good taste is also there with the density. Okay, density of toppings. Okay, so we have given a low relationship here. Similarly, for fresh and hot delivery, optional eatables are medium relationship, and similarly fresh and hot delivery have medium relationship with the density of toppings. Similarly, we have taken those all calculations. Now you have to calculate the your importance ratios, which can be calculated in this table. Like app, it is 6, and we have given a high relationship, means 6 into 6. Similarly 3 and 3, that will give you the total of 45. Okay, so similarly we have calculated all those parameters, we have kept it here. Now for good or for company A and company B, these are also called as customer competitive assessment. Okay, so in this way we will give good, fair and poor to these companies products or these company products sales. So with the help of this we have prepared this thing. So this is your whole house of quality of pizza. Okay, so in this way, note it down here in your paper, just to prepare house of quality of a motor vehicle or a motorcycle. Okay, you have to prepare the house of quality of motorcycle and submit it in the comment box, so that we can also evaluate and give some suggestions on that. Okay, this is your homework. Now what are the benefits? The companies which use this methodology benefits in the following way, like reduction in the product development time by 30 to 50%. It will definitely reduce 30 to 50% because you are optimizing the customer's needs. Next, reduce complaint against the warranty period, means if customers are satisfied, then definitely you will not get more complaints during the warranty period. It reduce the number of design changes, means some design changes will not be there in the further stage of manufacturing. Okay, and it also increase the customer satisfaction. So in this way you can also evaluate the, so in this way you can also give some edge to your company for the preparation of for the R&D and manufacturing the product in the company itself. Okay, so keep practicing these QFD for different products and submit the QFD of motorcycle or motorbike for in the comment section of this video tutorial, and stay tuned with Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel for such content in different branches of engineering like mechanical, electrical, civil and computer science engineering. Thank you so much for your patience listening.